TikTok is a social media platform that has become increasingly popular over the past few years, particularly among younger audiences. It offers a unique way to create short, engaging videos that can be easily shared and discovered by others on the platform. In this video, we will explore some tips and strategies for creating engaging and interactive content on TikTok. Number 1. Know your audience. The first step to creating engaging content on TikTok is to understand your audience. TikTok is popular among younger audiences, so it's important to create content that resonates with this demographic. This means understanding their interests, sense of humor, and the types of content they typically engage with. You can get insights into your audience by reviewing the analytics provided by TikTok or by studying the types of content that perform well on the platform. Number 2. Be creative. TikTok is all about creativity and originality. To stand out on the platform, it's important to create content that is unique and memorable. This can include using creative transitions, incorporating music, and using visual effects. TikTok offers a range of editing tools that you can use to create engaging content, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Number 3. Use trending hashtags. TikTok uses hashtags to categorize content and make it easier for users to discover videos related to their interests. By using trending hashtags, you can increase the visibility of your content and reach a wider audience. Keep an eye on the trending hashtags on the platform and try to incorporate them into your videos when relevant. Number 4. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other TikTok creators is a great way to expand your reach and create engaging content. Look for creators in your niche or with similar interests and reach out to them to collaborate on a video. This can help you reach a new audience and create content that is more interesting and engaging. Number 5. Use humor. Humor is a great way to make your content more engaging and memorable. TikTok users love content that is funny and relatable, so try to incorporate humor into your videos when possible. This can include using funny captions, creating skits, or using comedy in your transitions. Number 6. Create interactive content. Interactive content is a great way to keep viewers engaged and interested in your content. This can include creating polls, quizzes, or challenges that viewers can participate in. You can also ask viewers to submit their own videos or responses to your content, which can help create a sense of community and engagement on the platform. Number 7. Use music. Music is a key element of TikTok and can help make your content more engaging and memorable. TikTok offers a vast library of music and sound effects that you can use to create your videos. When choosing music, try to pick songs that are popular on the platform or that fit the mood and tone of your video. Number 8. Keep it short and sweet. One of the key features of TikTok is the short-form video format. To create engaging content on the platform, it's important to keep your videos short and to the point. Aim for videos that are no longer than 60 seconds and try to convey your message or story in as few shots as possible. Number 9. Engage with your audience. Engagement is key to building a following on TikTok. Respond to comments on your videos, participate in challenges, and create content that encourages viewers to interact with you. This can help create a sense of community and engagement on the platform, which can lead to increased visibility and engagement for your content. Number 10. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to building a following on TikTok. Try to post new content regularly, ideally at least once a day. This can help keep viewers engaged and interested in your content, and can also help you build your following over time. Consistency also helps establish your brand and style on the platform, making it easier for viewers to identify and engage with your content. Number 11. Stay on top of trends. TikTok is a platform that is constantly evolving, with new trends and challenges emerging all the time. To create engaging content, it's important to stay on top of these trends and incorporate them into your videos when relevant. This can help keep your content fresh and interesting, and also help you reach new audiences. Number 12. Experiment with different formats. TikTok offers a wide range of formats and features that you can use to create engaging content. Experiment with different formats, such as duets or reaction videos, to see what resonates with your audience. This can help you create more engaging and interactive content that keeps viewers coming back for more. In conclusion, creating engaging and interactive content on TikTok requires a mix of creativity, strategy, and consistency. By understanding your audience, staying on top of trends, and experimenting with different formats and techniques, you can create content that resonates with viewers and helps you build a following on the platform. Remember to keep it short and sweet, use humor and music, and engage with your audience to create a sense of community and engagement on the platform. With these tips and strategies, you can take your TikTok content to the next level and create videos that people will love to watch and share.